Yo, what's up guys? Doing this so I'll show you guys where to find dirt bikes, four-wheelers, and golf carts. So there's a golf cart right here, so let's get in it. You know, it's really lame, but there's another golf cart right there. Alright, so where you want to go, it's right here. So there's a big lake right here, and then right here. Alright, so this is like a redneck town, you know. And then just go out looking for dirt bikes and stuff, and four-wheelers. You'll find them. You know, I just can't find one right now, but you can find one. Okay, this golf cart can't go up that hill. And yeah, okay, so I'm gonna show you guys that this car is a piece of shit. But if you like customize it and everything, it looks really good. So it's called the Fernando car, I think. You know, it's not for really speed, it's just to like trick it out, make it look nice. Yeah. Or you could just find one in the city that's better looking, but still, after you customize it, it looks pretty good. Yeah, you can find monster trucks and shit here. That's pretty much it for this, I guess. You know? What the fuck? Yeah. Alright, so let me show you guys the jump, where it's pretty good. Well, I can't find it right now. Pretty sure it's like right here. Now if you're bored, you can just go to this jump. If I can get through all these rocks. Alright, so here's the customs right here. So there's a customs right there, like under this rectangle, and you just go to the left. So you just came out of the customs, and then you go to the right. And get some speed too. So there's a prison, that fruit stand. You know, get a fast car. Then there's satellites. So once you get by the satellites, you know you're close. And then it's right here. And you can it's better with a faster car. And yeah. Go off it with anything you want. You can go back, like right here. No, it might not be as fast. You can go anyway. Oh, and you can also get on the satellite dish. You can. I've done it before. If you get enough speed. So yeah guys, subscribe. I'm gonna try and find locations where to find good cars so you don't have to pay for them. Alright, so subscribe. Peace.